1, 0, all engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
Man first landed on the moon in 1969.
Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
And a nation cheered. The success of the mission relied on groundbreaking advances in computer technology. Yet the average smartphone today is over 1,000 times faster and has capacity far beyond the computer on board Apollo 11.
Over the last several decades, there's been a rapid growth in electronic devices and systems. A couple of examples of that would be in the automotive industry, in navigation, in satellite systems, and in surveillance communication, as well as home appliances, TVs, home security systems, medical devices such as MRI machines, defibrillators, and pacemakers.
Electronic components are enabling everything we do in our life today, from our cell phones to our cars to our washing machines. They are impacting every aspect of our life.
As human dependence on electronic devices increases, so does the need for more reliable, efficient, and safe components.
Electronic components are increasing in their capability to handle more and more data, and that is making our lives more efficient and safer.
Another example today is in the automobiles that we drive. With the introduction of stability controls, anti-skid braking, and airbags, these features have allowed passengers and drivers to become safer, but also to prevent potential fatalities.
Innovation, research, and development are crucial for the advancement of safer and more reliable components.
The electronics industry follows a rapid pace of new development. There are countless applications that always need smaller components with increased performance and lower cost. This drives the need for innovation and continued investment in R&D.
Electronic components are being developed to provide the power and the connections between the computer and allowing the physical world to be controlled by what the computer calculates. The better we can do this, the more impact electronics have on our actual lives.
Innovation will continue to play a critical role towards the development and design of tomorrow's electronic landscape.
The future world will be a connected world in all aspects of our life, in our social interaction, in our business, and in our transportation. This megatrend will be driven by the introduction and the development of the 5th generation of wireless networks, known as 5G by the industry. Innovations will be required to provide components such as filters and capacitors that have a higher level of performance and design tolerances.
Electronics are continuing to evolve into integration into smaller and smaller and smarter devices. In addition, they're evolving in ways that aren't traditionally electronics, such as organic electronics or biomolecular electronics.
AVX Corporation is a leader in the development and manufacturing of state-of-the-art electronic components for the consumer, automotive, medical, defense, and aerospace industries. AVX has a strong commitment to research and development and is pushing the boundaries of what's available in new and existing technologies.
AVX is not only a leader in developing the components and technologies to meet the needs of our customers' requirements, but we're also a manufacturing company, and we develop the processes to make those components reliably and efficiently in a very cost-effective way across a very broad range of components and technologies.
Quality and reliability are the basis for any electronic device. We at AVX work with our customers and develop roadmaps for future products which will provide the performance they need as well as meeting their cost objectives. In our military, aerospace, and medical devices, we do have built-in reliability in those devices which would allow us to meet specific requirements as well as prevent any future occurrence of a failure.
AVX offers a vast portfolio of components, including capacitors, filters, and circuit protection devices, as well as a broad range of innovative sensor, control interconnect, and antenna solutions.
AVX provides financial strength, our customer-first focus, and the dependability to provide innovative products at cost-effective prices. We're a leading supplier that offers global manufacturing and distribution and technology leadership with a proven record of accomplishment in the electronics industry.
To find out more about AVX Corporation, go to avx.com.